Today we're going to be looking at fact families, and on this Google Classroom there is a house to help you remember how to build a fact family. For each screen you have 3 numbers, and those 3 numbers can work together to make some number sentences. You have 2 addition sentences, which are shown with the yellow addition, and 2 subtraction, which are shown with the green subtraction sign. So your movable pieces on this screen are the 3 numbers. You can pull them down to the white boxes to make some number sentences. So the first number sentence that I'm going to make is an addition sentence, and I know that it has to make sense. So I'm going to do 1 plus 7 equals 8. And I know if I add 1 to 7, that equals 8. So that makes sense. Then I'm going to make a second addition sentence. Now my second addition sentence cannot be a twin with my first one. It has to be different. So I'm going to do a turnaround fact. I'm going to put my 7 first, plus then my 1, and that equals 8. And I know if I add 1 to 7, that equals 8. Then I'm going to do my subtraction sentences. I know my subtraction sentences in a fact family always start with my biggest number. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 8 first. Then I'm going to pick one of those remaining numbers. 8 minus 7 I know is 1. Then I have one more subtraction sentence to make. I remember that my biggest number always comes first in a subtraction sentence. But I know also that I can't make a twin with the sentence I just made, so I'm going to move around the numbers. So I'm going to put 1 here, and then 7 here. And I know 8 take away 1 is 7, so that is correct. And I just built my fact family using the numbers 8, 7, and 1. Then I would go over here to my scroll section, and I would move on to my second screen. And this screen I'm going to make a fact family with 10, 4, and 6. If you're having trouble moving the numbers, remember you can use 2 fingers on your trackpad, one to hold down the mouse and the other to move the mouse while you're holding the button down. If you're using a mouse, you should be clicking and holding with the left button. When you're all done with the fact families, you may turn it in to the turn in button for Google Classroom. And if you don't know where that's at, then ask a friend to help you. Good luck!